What is up, guys? I know it's been a while since I posted a video, so I wanted to tell you why and give you guys a little bit of a show on what we've got going on here. It is crazy, a lot of work here. So as some of you may know, we just bought our new home, but we've got a lot of remodeling work to do, as you can see. And we'll run through some videos of what it looked like before and then the whole process of what we're going through right now. And I just really wanted to update you guys and let you know I haven't disappeared. I've just got so much work on my hands that I don't really have time for many videos, but I will be doing some live videos every week and then hopefully getting at least 1 or 2 videos out to you guys, but just letting you know exactly why. So let's take a look at what this mess here looked like beforehand.
All right, guys, so this is the front view of our living room area that we have. As you can see, it's pretty blocked off with the kitchen, and we're more of like the open concept type of people, so we've got some work to do here. We started with tearing off this half wall and then moving on into the kitchen. Again, it's kind of a smaller space, so we're gonna rip out all of these cabinets, the kitchen countertops, get them out of there. As you can see, we've got those removed, and we're gonna kind of visualize where we want to put the kitchen in the future. Next, what we did was remove all of the drywall so we could expose all of the mechanicals inside that wall, so the electrical, plumbing, whatnot. And then taking a look at the truss system that this house has to make sure that this wall is not load bearing at all before we remove it. We've got that wall knocked out, and as you can see, it opens up a lot of space here. It's gonna look so nice when we're all finished. We made sure that this was not load bearing because we have a couple of friends who are structural engineers, and then we had a structural engineer from a local lumber company come and look at it. And this main girder here is attached to these crossing trusses and is engineered to the point where all we have to do is put on some truss hangers. That's it for today. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated with more videos as we finish off this project in the next week and a half. Happy gardening!